What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome, ghouls. Welcome, demonios. Welcome, brujas, witches. Welcome, spooky vampies. I'm a fanatic of Halloween, and I literally want it to be here like yesterday. I live in the shadows. I am the queen of darkness. What better way to get us even more excited than like a horror makeup? I got this Chucky Glamlite collaboration. Now, I didn't get PR from them. I actually bought this myself. It's been out for a hot minute. It's Horror Queen. It's Mr. Chucky and Miss Tiff themselves, and it totally gets us in the mood for Halloween. This is the look that I came up with. Let's get into the video. Juntos. I've been dying to show you guys this. It is huge. It also has other collabs. I believe they have Mr. Ghostface, Chucky. I think they have another Chucky collection too. It also features Miss Tiff. Did this collab get me out of retirement from the makeup space? Yes. First thing that I'm going to show you is this bag. Are you freaking kidding me? Look at how cute this freaking bag is. Look. Oh my gosh, the little zipper details is killing me. And this is what the inside looks like. It is literally so freaking cute. I was most excited about this. Next up, we got a little mirror, little heart-shaped mirror, which I'm going to keep out so I can actually use it because I'm on my gaming desk instead of my vanity. And it's a pretty good size. It's not like too tiny. We also have a blush duo. As a kid, I'd always scratch these. Oh my gosh, this is actually stinking cute. It says love, honor, and obey. That's funny. I have an eyeshadow palette. Look at that. We open it up, and guys, this is the main reason also why I wanted this, because the freaking colors in this is stunning. This is a gorgeous palette. Of course, it comes with a mirror. I'm ready to dabble in it. Then we have this cute little box, and when you open it up, it actually has some lip oils. It has a red lip oil, a purple, and then a black. I think I'm going to dabble in with the black today, and 2 lip liners. The little details on the box is literally sending me into another world. This is definitely a box that I'm going to be keeping with everything in it. These are the lip liners. I wish they weren't wooden. I do like them, don't get me wrong, but I don't want to ruin the image on it as I'm sharpening it. A lighter brownish nude, and then another one's like a darker brown, so they're both in the brown family. So one's lighter, one's darker. Hopefully this turns out good because I'm just using my camera to guide me. I'm gonna go in with Let's Be Friends. I'm gonna start building my halo. Glide on like butter too. They have really good eyeshadow formula because I have used them before. They have like 2 different variations of maroons, which I freaking love. I love maroons. Like a maroon vampy lip. Oh my god. Clay pals at the beginning, in the inner portion of my lids and the outers, and then I'm gonna be deepening that up with I Like to Be Hugged. Again, building up that halo eye. So I'm gonna be leaving it like this, no eyeliner. I'm gonna go back with my original blending brush and just blend everything together. Like how I said I was gonna use my mirror, and I'm using the palette mirror. I think we're all blended. It definitely is looking a little bit more purple than maroon, but that's okay. Pack in Good Guys in the middle portion of that open halo. This should have gotten a little bit more recognition because why am I getting it like 2 years later? I'm gonna go in with Wanna Play, which is like a shimmery silver. I didn't even have to dig my finger in the palette either. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's go in with another one. This one's so cute. Chucky and Tiff Forever, and just go on top of it. Take off the other one. Oof. Alright, if y'all know me, I love doing my Egyosal, so I'm going to be taking a combination of Good Guys and just a tiniest little bit of It's Time to Play. I'm going to be doing my Egyosal with it. So It's Time to Play, I'm going to focus it on the outer corner right here, almost to like create like a little pocket. And right where my natural crease is for my lid, right under it, as soon as it creases, I am going to be drawing in my Egyosal with Good Guys, which is that lighter gray. I want to dabble into the blush. I'm gonna go in with that bubblegum pink. I didn't want to have it too heavy. It honestly all blends out to be like a fuchsia pink color. Anyways, let's go in with lip liner. I think I'm gonna go in with the darker one, which is Tiff's. Sorry, Chucky. Yeah, I'm such like a lip oil user. And have you seen that some people are getting like sunspots on their lips? Good thing I only come out at night. Oh my gosh, it has sparkles and it has like blue and purple sparkles. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to pick it up on camera. Yeah, I think you can see it. That is so cute. I'm hoping, let's pray, that has a fat applicator. You guys get to see first. Does it? You tell me. Yes! So it's definitely on like the purple side. I thought it was gonna be black because the component is black, but it's purple. They all scented. It smells like grapes. It smells like, you guys remember the Smuckers or Smackers? It's pretty sheer. I thought I was gonna have more pigment in it. I used everything up. I'm going to go finish my makeup and blend some stuff out, put some mascara, and we'll be right back. I'm hoping I blended everything and it doesn't look cakey. You guys tell me. I give this collection though a 20 out of 10. But there wasn't anything in this that I didn't like. I was so excited for the bag, and then everything else that I swatched and put on my face, I was like, now I like this one. I like this one. I like this one. So like everything cohesively went together and it was amazing. I was underwhelmed with the lips, and then now looking at my lips in the mirror when I went to go put my mascara on, I was like, nah, why was I underwhelmed? Because this is actually beautiful. It was giving me some Bratz lips. This for sure made me want Halloween 10 times more. Anyways, I hope you guys have a beautiful, fabulous night or day wherever you spooky vampies are located, and I will see you guys on my next video. Adios, guys. Peace.